Spark handles their investments a little bit differently. We have a lot of experience, we're local, and we stick to kind of fundamental principles. And I'll now turn it over to Dan to kind of walk through how we go about evaluating deals, financing, and operating them.
Great, thanks, Arn. In terms of our approach, yeah, I would say we believe in fairly fundamental real estate investing principles, nothing that we're trying to pioneer. We view real estate as a really good medium to long-term investment strategy. It's not a get-rich-quick vehicle. And we also believe that time in the market will often trump timing the market. It's very hard to time the market. Nobody can predict what's going to happen in the macroeconomic sector. If you can move to the next slide, Arn.
Sure.
So here's just a few of the highlights of what our approach entails. So first off, we want to be disciplined, right? We're not focused on building units or assets under management. We don't want to take unnecessary risk. None of us on the team are at the point in our investing careers that we need to take a lot of risk. Arn's already highlighted our experience, the combined experience. And we do have complementary skill sets, so we can approach things from different orientations. And really, before we're all sold on a deal, we all kind of have to get in alignment and agree. And between us, we have kind of all the capabilities to run this type of business. So we've got marketing, investor relations, acquisitions, operations, and finance kind of all covered. And this next item here is one that I can't stress enough, the property management of these assets. So we have integrated in-house property management. Brian's property management company typically will manage these properties. And so many times when these types of deals fail, it's because of the property management, the third-party property management that's not adequate and didn't know how to handle the asset. So we feel this is a special sauce and a real advantage to us. If you invest with us, you're going to have direct access to the principals. We're not large enough to have investor relations staff. If larger companies may need that, but we can be approached directly with any question at any time. And just in terms of reporting, we feel it's important to keep our investors very well aware of what's going on. So very monthly, consistent reporting that's in some level of depth. I've invested in a lot of different deals personally, and I was a little bit surprised that there's some groups that don't provide very frequent or very detailed reporting, and it kind of leaves you to wonder what's going on with your investment. So we'd rather err on the side of constantly communicating with our investors. Additionally, Arn highlighted the importance of fixed debt, especially in the recent commercial real estate market. There might be situations where variable debt is going to work for people, but we tend to stay away from it. And we also believe that if we operate these assets professionally, we treat our tenants well, it's going to be a win-win. The investors will win and the tenants will win, and that's what we're really looking for. The ability to know the market is extremely important. Again, a lot of these groups maybe are not local and they buy property and they don't understand all the dynamics that are involved. So we invest in markets that we know very well. So we're not taking risks. We've always delivered the K-1 tax reporting on time to our investors, and that's another key aspect. Everybody wants to be able to file their taxes on time, right? And we always co-invest alongside our limited partner investors.